AI is changing the way we wholesale real estate. From doing a lot of the work and having AI do most of the work for you, to actually getting AI to pull lists and actually request government list information to the government list agencies so we can get marketing lists, to organizing data and doing analysis on properties, and heck, even figuring out our repair costs for us for our certain market. In 2024, AI is completely changing the way we look at wholesaling real estate. It's either you choose to stay ahead of it, actually benefit from this windfall, or have your competition go out here and make a ton of money with AI. What I want to do today is break down my top 7 tools that I currently use with AI to get rich in wholesaling real estate in 2024. Now, this is not an AI pitch to go sell you some crazy stuff. These are tools that I actually use in my own wholesaling real estate operations, and most of them are actually free that you can use and implement right now today for free. And more specifically, the top 7 ways I can use AI to actually get more money in wholesaling real estate. So the first one we need to talk about here is an honorable mention, but this is using AI to pull government lists. Now, I could talk about this forever, and I've talked about this a lot, but if you use a service like ChatGPT or Bard AI, you can actually ask AI where your government agencies are. So for example, you can actually go into Bard AI and ask, where is the Houston County Fire Department and what is their phone number and their email? And it's gonna find that information, literally go into Google, figure it out, and then spit it out to you right there. On top of this too, you can actually ask Bard AI, which is basically bard.google.com or ChatGPT, chat.openai.com, make an email requesting all the houses the fire department has went on in the past 30 days, stating that I need this information for public record, for private information, for private research purposes. And AI is just gonna spit out an email, and it can be a copy and paste and send it to the email that the AI actually just found for you. So AI is not doing 100% of the work here, but the cool part about this is AI is really doing 80 or 90% of the work it takes to actually get these government lists done. Now, number 7, and probably one of the first ones we need to talk about, is Alma AI, A-L-M-A AI. Alma AI is basically dmzack.com's AI system, and it's really one of the best ones out here that I currently use in my wholesaling operations. But basically, it's the only AI software that is actually built for wholesaling that actually has motivated sellers. And what I mean by this is, if you ever log into dmzack.com, use some of the unlimited free skip tracing you get when you join dmzack.com, you can actually go and click the Alma button and actually ask Alma when you pull a list, what are the repair costs for this property? And because Alma is connected to Deal Machine, aka dmzack.com, it's gonna go in the software and actually look at the property, analyze it, figure out the building grade, and give you a rough repair cost, and it'll also give you an MAO that you can switch and train the AI in there with it. On top of that too, you can actually change up what Alma AI is deciding. So for example, if it says the repair costs are $40,000, what would the repair costs be for this type of property, 123 Main Avenue, if it needs a new roof, AC, and complete flooring throughout the property? It'll analyze the square foot of the property and spit it out to you. It's absolutely amazing. Now, you can train Bard AI or ChatGPT to do the same exact thing, but it's a little more difficult to do, and that's why I love using Alma AI for it. There's also a million other things you can do with that AI software. I have a full tutorial on freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course, of exactly how you can actually use this and gain the opportunity from this. Check it out at dmzack.com. Number 6 here is actually a really cool software. It's called Looka, L-O-O-K-A. And Looka is a really cool AI software where you can basically create logos using AI for free. They have paid services too. A lot of people take it, make it, and screenshot it. But you can just go out here and actually create a business logo that you can slap on your digital Bandit signs, your posts, your social media, heck, some of your marketing campaigns, even your direct mail, that you can never have used without the power of AI. Now, if you look at me, I got terrible handwriting, I can't draw for anything, and if I had to create a logo, my design skills are not there at all. But you can actually just create a name for a company, for example, Miami Home Buyers, and you can add what type of logo you want. So I can put house or money or house and money, and it'll spit out some logos and actually get your logo created pretty quick and simple using the power of AI. I've definitely used it before, and one that I highly recommend that not a lot of people talk about. Number 5 here, one I love doing, is SMS scripts. And you might be like, oh, you have to use big paid SMS software, but really that's not the truth. You can actually use Bard AI or ChatGPT and actually give them 10 or 15 examples of SMS scripts you've used, and actually ask them to create SMS scripts for you, and it'll spit out the scripts as soon as possible, just like that. Now, if you want to get crazy and get a little more advanced here, we can give the AI, let's say 15 or 20 addresses, kind of parentheses, address, comma, address, comma, address, comma, address, and then under parentheses, and then just give it that data set and say, make a unique SMS script for every address I listed in the data set. AI is going to spit out a unique script for every property you have. Heck, if you have 100 properties, it'll spit out 100 of those, and boom, you have 100 uniquely created scripts for SMS text blasting where AI did all the work for you. Heck, if I was gonna do that, that'd probably take me an hour to do myself, or heck, even 2, that AI spits out in under 5 seconds. This is the power of AI for wholesaling real estate. Next here is using ChatGPT to actually organize our data. So we might pull a PropStream or listrei.com, zachdata.com, or heck, we might even pull a government list. And let's say, for example, when you pull that list, maybe the Excel format is all screwed up and they put the full address. So 123 Main Avenue, Dallas, Texas, 33333 area code, and you want to separate it all. Now you can learn Excel and do that, but what you can do is just paste all the addresses in a CSV format. So just do that, copy it, paste that information in ChatGPT and ask it, can you separate all these addresses by address, city, state, and zip code? And it'll spit out and do all the work for you. Because ChatGPT is a smart AI tool, it can figure out how to split it up for you to make it really easy. I've had situations where I used Bard AI or ChatGPT to actually upload a PDF and have it decipher the information from there and create a spreadsheet from that information. Now, some of that you have to pay for, like ChatGPT 4.0 or the premium version, but this year I expect it to come out publicly for everyone. Heck, you can even ask the AI when you copy and paste the data set, how many of these addresses show up more than once? So maybe you post all of your code violations in the AI software, you put your driving for dollars list, your tax lien list, and see which one of these properties show up the most. And it'll say 123 Main Avenue showed up twice in this data set. Boom, you know that's a super stacked and motivated list. AI is so powerful with this. Number 3 here, and one I'm super excited to share with you, my repair cost tool estimator that Bard AI has. Now, it's not something they officially have, but I kind of created it, and I'm gonna show you my script for using it, where you can, if you don't know any repair costs, you can kind of plug in all the repairs that need to be done on the property, give the property a square footage or just the address sometimes because it's connected to Zillow Bard AI, and it'll give you a rough repair cost. It's never perfect, but it's really good if we're in a pinch and we need an estimate for the repair costs. All you basically have to do is just ask AI, post your address and say, with the property of 123 Main Avenue in Bard AI, if the property needed a new kitchen, new flooring, and I had to replace the roof, what would the repair cost be? And what Bard AI is going to do is look online for usually what the cost is around there, search a bunch of Google queries, take the information in, and spit out what the repair cost should be. And boom, the AI is going to go out here and actually give you a repair cost estimate. This is amazing. It costs no money at all and something you should be doing right now. Number 2, and definitely a big one that I don't think I've ever really revealed too much on this channel, but you can actually use ChatGPT, Bard AI, whatever AI software to scrape cash buyers. And what I mean by this is you can actually go search at gmail.com on like a real estate investing group and find all these posts saying, where are my buyers at? And you got 30 people posting their emails. What you can do is just copy that entire thread, paste that into AI and say, pull all the emails out of this data set. And what it's gonna do is just get rid of all the comments, all the things, and just get the emails. And then boom, in 5 seconds, you get all the emails from that thread of cash buyers that you can go out here and actually email. The cool part is on the next part of the AI, you can ask it with these emails and put quote, paste the emails in, create an individual tailored email, letting these people know that my name is Zach Ginn. I'm actually a wholesale in the area, and I was seeing if you're looking to buy any more houses in Dallas, Texas. If so, please give me a call and then put your phone number. And what it's gonna do is create a bunch of different emails to be sent out to each specific email. This is great for pulling cash buyers that not a lot of people do, and I know you're watching this right now, you're probably not doing. It will actually get you wholesaling results. Last but not least, one of my favorite methods here are actually using digital bandit signs with ChatGPT. It's as simple as you want to make it. Just ask ChatGPT to create a Craigslist ad, or heck, if you want to change up, maybe a post in a Facebook group, letting people know that my name is Zach and me and my partner Jeff are looking to buy 3 more houses in Miami. And if you're looking to sell, please consider us. And what it's gonna do is create variations, add emojis, take emojis out, and you can create 30, 40, 50 variations that you can post all over the place so it's not shown as spam. You're gonna get people inbound reaching out to you on Facebook looking to sell their property, and on Craigslist reaching out to your phone number. These are called digital bandit signs. I don't want to get into a full 3-hour presentation on this, but I do have a full digital bandit sign breakdown in my free wholesaling course, freewholesaling.com, where you can figure out exactly step-by-step how to do this. But guys, AI is getting crazy. There's so many tools and so many ways to use it, and I probably only shared 10 or 15% of what AI can really do for wholesaling real estate. I got nothing to sell you here. I'm just trying to give you the information you need to know to become a successful and educated wholesaler for success in 2024. Guys, if you got any value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, go to freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.